Hi, I'm Sam, and this is my shop. And this morning, I woke up to a bunch of water on the garage floor because of all the rain we've had. So this is gonna be what I'm calling Between the Builds, where we figure out why there's a bunch of water in my basement and hope to God that I don't have to dig a French drain or something. But I think I know what's wrong. This is what I suspected happened, and lo and behold, this downspout is basically half of my roof, and this is the corner where all the water was coming in the garage. So it appears that all of that water spewed straight down into the foundation, directly in the corner. So I don't think that there's anything actually wrong with my house. I think that we just need to fix the gutters. Ew. This too is just not the answer. So I think we're just gonna fix all of it. Oh, there's so much water in this. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Oh, it's so squishy. Oh God. Well, that's probably gonna make it worse. Damn it. No. Oh. This kind or this kind? Maybe this is okay. This is the other end of that long black pipe I just pulled out. As you can see, this thing is also super nice. So I'm gonna put, I don't know what is this thing called? I'm gonna put one of these chute things here and kind of let it out into the grass, get it away from the house a little bit here, and just let it be. And I have all these pavers, so I'm just gonna level it out a little bit and stick a couple pavers down, and then we'll extend this gutter piece down, put a little elbow on it, and we'll be right as rain. This video ended abruptly last night because in the midst of trying to deal with the gutters, I found more water under the flooring in the basement. And I was at my end of bandwidth, so the camera got dropped and we went into panic mode trying to deal with that. We pulled up a bunch of the flooring and mopped up a bunch of that water and got some fans going in there, and it seems to be fixed. Here we are 24 hours later, and I went outside and I did a couple more things to make sure that the gutters are okay, at least for the meantime. All of the elbows and fittings are now connected tightly with screws, and everything is sort of run out into the yard. I even used some of that black pipe in small sections to run it out into the middle of the yard to get it far away from the foundation. This is only a temporary fix. I've talked to a couple of people that are way smarter than me, plumbers and other just useful men in my life, and they agree that the best course of action is to get the water away from the house. And I gotta check the code, but I think it's possible here to run it all the way to the street and just completely avoid getting it anywhere near the foundation. This should fix any of the flooding issues that I'm having, but that's far too much of an endeavor for right now. I got a fishing trip to go on, and this is gonna work until it dries out. Thanks for tuning in to what I call the Between the Build series, these little sort of vlog-like sections where we're just gonna do small projects or big projects, things that aren't really builds, but just kind of other things that I'm working on. If you like this content, hit the subscribe button down below, leave me a comment, and I'll catch you on the next one.